divide by zero errors can completely annihilate your pivot tables and your charts, but there's an easy way to get around them. So for example, right here, we're trying to find the average percent of season 2. But for Aurora Sinclair, for example, there is no value, so that's why it's showing a divide by zero, because there's nothing there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly update it, so that way instead of a divide by zero error, it's just going to be blank, and that way your charts are nice and clean. So we're going to select our data range, go to Insert, Pivot Table, and we'll go into an existing sheet to keep things nice and clean for this video, and hit Create. Now for Associate, we'll drop down under Rows, and then for Season 2, we'll put that under Values, and then we want to change that to an average. So once again, you'll see those errors. Instead of dragging the values under, we're going to do a calculated field. So right next to values, we'll click Add, Calculated Field, and then here we're going to put our formula. So I'm going to put average, open parentheses, and then we want to type in Season 2. Since there's a space in Season 2, we need to have it in soft quotes. If it was just one word, we could just type it directly. So we'll put soft quote, Season, space 2, soft quote, close parentheses. So when I do that, we have a similar thing to how we had it before. The only difference is now it's a 0 instead of a divide by 0. But if we want to get rid of those altogether, we can simply type in if error, open parentheses, go to the very end of the formula, put a comma, close the parentheses, and press enter. So now it looks like this. We're almost there. Last thing we need to do is where it says summarize by sum, we're going to summarize by custom. So now if it's a 0, it's a blank just like it was over here. Otherwise, it's going to list what that number is. And then from there, all you have to do is get rid of the Season 2 and change the formatting to percentage. And it's really as simple as that. Let me know if you have any questions and like and comment for more.